I stand at the edge of silence, not the calm kind. In the dry forests of Ranthambore, legends are not born in stories. One name still echoes through these trees: Ustaad. He was not just a tiger, he was dominance in motion. A strategist, a ruler who understood the jungle's rules and bent them. When Ustaad moved, the forest moved with him. Tourists searched for him, rivals feared him, cameras chased him. But the jungle does not exist for admiration, and power, when watched too closely, invites judgment. As human boundaries crept closer, the line between forest and settlement began to blur. Encounters followed, fear replaced wonder, and the question changed from who is Ustaad to what should be done with him. But I ask, when a tiger protects his territory, who is the intruder? Ustaad did not change, the world around him did. He became dangerous not by instinct, but by circumstance. Not by cruelty, but by collision. Ustad's story is not about a tiger who crossed a line. It is about a line we keep moving.
Hello, everyone. I hope you already got it that today's topic is going to be interesting. The question is, can we generate such production grade documentary using AI? The answer is yes. So let's not waste time and directly get to the hack. With the right process and just a few AI tools, a single creator can now make professional documentaries that can be published and monetized on YouTube and other platforms. This session will take you through a simple 7-step workflow that I personally recommend for creating high quality storytelling videos using AI. Right now, documentary style content is one of the best performing formats on YouTube and learning platforms. Earlier, making such content needed money, crew, and equipment. Today, AI removes most of these barriers. If you know how to tell a story, you can now create studio quality documentaries from your laptop. Before I show you any tools, I want you to understand the full process. This is a complete production workflow, from choosing the topic to delivering the final film. These are the 7 clear steps, and we will use only 3 AI tools and one simple video editor. If you follow this structure, you can repeat this process again and again for different documentaries and build a proper content system. We will start with the first step to transform our idea into a script. I will use ChatGPT and I will go with this prompt as you see on the screen. In my prompt, I will mention the topic of the documentary and let ChatGPT generate the script. What is important here is the instructions like describing the mood, instructing it to use hooks, and closing line to the script for better audience engagement. I will provide this prompt in the description and you can just change the topic and the mood, and it is a ready to use prompt for you. Once I execute this prompt, ChatGPT gives me a great script of 2 minutes with clear segmentation and even with timestamps. It has suggested a title to the script and with a well structured storyboard outline which has the opening, build up, tension, climax, and closing. Now, what we have is the outline of the story. We will now generate the voiceover texts for this script. You will not believe how easy the next step is. We will just type in create voiceovers. ChatGPT gives me the voiceovers with timestamp and also the voice modulation. It has further broken down the script into smaller scenes based on the dialogues. And believe the dialogues are just wow. Now comes the most critical part. The step 4, we will have to create the visuals prompts. The best way is to copy each line or a complete sentence and ask ChatGPT to give visual prompts. This is very, very important. If you use multiple sentences or too many dialogue lines to generate one visual, you will not get good results because each line dialogue has a different tempo. So I will instruct ChatGPT that I will give you each single line from the voiceover and it has to generate the visual prompt for me. Since I'm creating a wildlife documentary, I will also specify that the mood and style of the visual prompts must match the quality of a professional grade wildlife documentary. It is also very, very important to mention that the theme and visual styles must be same and uniform in all the prompts. I will ask ChatGPT to confirm. These instructions are very, very important. Like an obedient director and cinematographer, ChatGPT will confirm me the production style with all the minute details like the genre, location, color grade, camera style, lighting, mood, resolution, and so on. I will confirm this and move to the next step, which is another interesting and magical part. This is getting the visual prompts based on the voiceover lines. Now I will go to the voiceovers, copy the first line, and paste it in the prompt box. No additional instructions to be given at this stage because ChatGPT already knows what we want. This is also a classic example of how you are training your AI and having a continuous conversation without repeating instructions. Based on the first line of voiceover, I get my visual prompt. I am not reading the prompt line by line just to save on time. I will paste this entire prompt output with the voiceover in my description for you all to check for later. I will repeat this step one by one for each voiceover line and generate the visual prompts. I have generated a total of 21 visuals, which means my final production will have 21 scenes. I just cannot help to get surprised on the quality of the prompts it has generated. I can bet that you will also be equally surprised if you take some time to read the output. It is really insane. I myself cannot believe that I have been able to generate such an output till now. Let's see how it shapes up further. Now we are set to move to the step 5. We will create the visuals and animate them to videos. We will now check how the visual prompts given by ChatGPT works for us to generate the visuals. Though they're paid tools which may be better, we will use a free tool, Meta AI. You can generate as many images and videos you want using this tool for free. We have to select vibes in Meta AI for image generation. I will copy the prompt from ChatGPT for the scene 2 and paste it in the prompt box and let the magic happen. Meta AI will generate 4 image variations for each single prompt and allow you to select any one of them. It takes a few seconds to generate the images. Once generated, we can choose any one image from the options. As you can see, the results are mind blowing. Click on the image and you come to this page. On the right bottom corner, click animate to transform this image into a video. You can also use the option to custom animate. However, as a starter, I would highly recommend not to do that. Just animate, it would give you desired results 8 of 10 times. Our animation is ready. Let's play it. This works for us, right? In this similar way, we will run all visual prompts one by one. In this case, all the 21 prompts I have got from ChatGPT. Generate image, then animate them. Now we move to the step 6, generating speech for the voiceover. I use 11 Labs for voices, though it is not free, but the cost is quite affordable and really worth the price. There are free tools available too, but if you want better results, then this tool is the best. Log into 11 Labs and select the option text to speech. I will select the voiceover lines from ChatGPT and paste here. Here you can see that I have also used tags and words for modulation and pause. I am using the V3 model, which allows for a speech delivery with more character, feeling, and timing. This is something which you will not get in free tools and is best for professional output. I get to choose from the default voice options. I will select a documentary narrator voice for this video and then click on generate speech. The speech gets generated in few seconds with the exact voice modulation and expressions I had provided. We will download this audio in MP3 format. This is the entire voiceover I have generated for this documentary. You can see how I use the tone, pause, emphasis, etc. to add expressions to the voiceover. So from the flat voiceover from ChatGPT, I have been able to generate a full human-like professional audio narrative. I will share this entire voice prompt structure in the description box. You can use this as a sample to generate your first audio. Please note that this structure works for 11 Labs Model V3. Now comes the last part to join the pieces and make the final product, your first documentary film. You can use any video editing tool like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or VN Editor. I personally prefer VN Editor as it is very simple and easy to use for a beginner. You will just have to pull your scenes, arrange them in line to the narrative, and bind the audio. You can add background music, scene transitions, etc. You will find many videos and tutorials on VN editor editing skills on YouTube. You can use those to put your scenes and audio together. Now you can also follow these steps and make your first professional short film. Let me know in the comments, how is the feeling of becoming a filmmaker from your home in just 1 to 2 hours? Now let's quickly revise the steps again. Step 1, select your topic. Step 2, use ChatGPT to prepare the outline script. Step 3, use ChatGPT to generate the voiceover dialogues. Step 4, use ChatGPT to generate the visual prompts for each voiceover lines. Step 5, use Meta AI to turn the visual prompts into live animated videos. Step 6, use 11 Labs for professional voice generation. Step 7, use VN Editor to join the pieces and make the final film. Get started with this 3 tool hack. Use ChatGPT to write your story, use Meta AI to create your visuals, and with 11 Labs, bring them to life. I hope the last 7 minutes has been interesting and impactful. I will share the full document with all the prompts used to create this documentary in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such contents. See you soon in the next video.